Hi everyone, and welcome back to Crochet by Shawn. Today I want to show you how to do the front post and the back post. Since they're similar, we can cover them both. And here's what front posting looks like. Here's what back posting looks like. They leave different ridges, different textures, and we will go over those. I'm just using a 4-ply yarn. I'm using a size K hook to make big stitches. You use whatever you're comfortable with, size hook and yarn. And we are going to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now what we're going to do is make some double crochets, and we're going to go into the 4th chain from the hook. So flip it over and go in the back bump, because the first 3 equals your first double crochet. So we're on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one 10. So now we've got our double crochet row, because you kind of have to have this before we start doing the front post, back post. Now what we're going to do is just chain 2. Normally we would chain 3 to increase your turning chain for a double crochet, but where we're going to be doing front posting, it's going to eat up half your stitch. You only want to do 2, otherwise it'll be too big. So to front post, you're going to yarn over, because we're going to do a double crochet with it. We're going to work around this post. So you just put your hook through the back, pull it up through the front to lift up that post, and this is the front post. You pull your yarn up, pull your loop up, and then do your double crochet. So yarn over, pull up that next post, pull up your loop, and do your double crochet. Yarn over, pull up that post, pull up your loop, and double crochet. Pull up the post, pull up your loop, and double crochet. Pull up your post, pull up your loop, and double crochet. Pull up your post, pull up your loop, and double crochet. And you can see the different texture that it leaves compared to the rest of the row that we haven't done yet. It raises it. So we're going to pull up the post, pull up your loop, and finish double crocheting. Pull up your post, pull up a loop, and double crochet. Now on the end stitch, it's a little hard to do that, so what we do, yarn over and go through your top of your chain 3, and we're just going to do a half double crochet, because that equals the two chain. That way it stays straight across. Since the posts eat up half of your stitch, you want it to be even. So we'll chain 2. And now we're going to do the back post. Very similar. Yarn over, only you're going to turn it and pull up the post here. Yarn over, pull up your loop, and do your double crochet. So yarn over, pull up the post from the back, pull up your loop, and double crochet. Yarn over, pull up your post, pull up your loop, and double crochet. Yarn over, pull up your post, pull up your loop, and double crochet. Yarn over, pull up your post, pull up your loop, and double crochet. Yarn over, pull up your post, pull up your loop, and double crochet. Yarn over, pull up your post, pull up your loop, and double crochet. Yarn over, pull up your post, pull up your loop, and double crochet. Yarn over for the last one, just like we did before. Go through the top of the chain 2. And do a half double crochet. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like us. And we will see you next time. Thanks.